Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a really easy, we're going to call it a stir fry, but basically it's like the inside of an egg roll with noodles. Let's go. Alright, first thing we're going to do is get a pot of water boiling with some chicken bouillon to get our noodles cooking. And then we're going to get our pork started. This is just ground pork, it's not seasoned or anything. Alright, I'm going to start peeling some ginger, and I like to peel this with a spoon, it just makes it a little easier. Alright, now that my pork is pretty much cooked, not browned, but cooked, we're going to add in our carrots and angel care cut green cabbage. I'm also going to add in my ginger. And then this is my homegrown leek. And leeks can be kind of dirty on the inside just because of how they grow, so you really want to cut them in half lengthwise and kind of wash them out. See how there's dirt in there? I'm going to turn this down a little bit. While that cooks, I'm going to drop probably 2 nests of noodles into my water here. I'm going to drop a 3rd one in. Okay, now I'm going to slice some homegrown green onions to throw in here as well. Alright, looks like my noodles are about done. And to our noodles, I'm going to add a lot of black pepper and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Alright, we're going to call that done. Alright, let's get a nice chunk of noodles here with all the goodies along with it. And that is that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.